Welcome everybody. Today we are going to code the Guess the Number game. Probably you know it, but if you don't, you have a number of tries to guess the number between 0 and another number. In my example is 100. For example, here we have 6 tries. We ask the user to guess the number between 0 and 100. The user types 50 and it says it's too low. The user keeps trying to guess the number until you run out of tries or you guess the number. If you have viewed my past videos, you should know how to do this. You only need to compare values, ask the user for values and print the information. See on the right that the code has printed to have an idea of what you have to code and print. For example, if the number is too low, print too low. If the number is too high compared to the number you have to guess, you say too high. And if you guess the number, you can print something like this. Congratulations, you guessed the number and still you have 2 tries left. Now it's a good time to pause the video and try to recreate it on your own. It doesn't matter if you need 5 minutes or 2 hours or whatever. As you are learning, and this is not a competition, you are going to learn more trying to solve it on your own and doing a simple exercise in 2 hours than just looking at how I did it. So pause the video, give it a try and then come back to compare notes. Pause the video now and try. This is my solution. First, for example, we have to guess 78. Guess number 78. And as you can see, we're keeping asking the user for an input. So we need to do something all the time. While true. The code here is going to repeat forever and ever until we break this loop. Then we need to ask the user for a number. Player number is going to be input to ask the user. Guess the number. And we need to convert this to an integer, a number. And now, if player number equals guess number, the user has guessed the number. So print congratulations, you guessed the number. And to break the loop, we need to break the loop. When the code reaches this line, it's going to stop and jump away from this loop. Okay, if the user didn't manage to guess the number, we need to keep comparing. Elif player number bigger than guess number, that's because the number is too high. So print too high. And of course, Elif player number. If the player number is lower than guess number, we print too low. And this is going to keep looping until we guess the number. Let's check it. Guess the number. We know it's 78. 70, too low. 80, too high. And 78. Congratulations, you guessed the number. And as you can see, the script has ended. But this is too boring. We know that is 78. But this is too boring. We know the number is 78. Won't be great if Python will create a number between 0 and 100 so we can guess the number properly without knowing that the number is 78? So we can generate a random integer in Python, of course, but for that we need the random library. From random, we are going to import the random integer function. So we want Python to generate a number between 0 and 100. So we are going to use the randint function, and we want the number between 0 and 100. And it's going to generate a number between 0 and 100, both numbers included, and it's going to store it into guess number variable. Let's run it. Let's see. Guess the number 50. Too high. 25. Too high. 12. 10. And we guessed the number. But we got lucky this time. Because if we try again, and we do 50, too low, 75, too high, 66, 65, 64, 63, 60, and so on, we have infinite tries. This is too boring. This is not a challenge. So why don't we give the user a number of tries? So if you run out of tries, you can keep guessing the number and you lose the game. Because this is an infinite loop. We can keep guessing the number until we guess the number. So for that, we are going to give the user a number of tries, for example 6, and every time this loop ends, we are going to subtract 1. For example, tries, for example, tries minus 1, and now we need to check if tries equals or is lesser than 0. If this condition is true, you have run out of tries and you lost the game. Print, sorry, but you didn't do this. And of course, we need to break out of this loop. Break. Okay, let's try it again. Guess the number, 50, too high, 25, too high, 12, too high, 6, too low, 9. Oh, we guessed the number, but let's try it. 50, 50, 50, 50, 50. Okay, we ran out of tries and we lost the game. But wouldn't it be great if we show the user how many tries currently has? Let's display it here. You have tries. Guess the number. Let's see. Whoops. F. You have 6 tries. Guess the number. 50, too low. 75, too high. 75. Well, the game is done. Of course, you can expand this game and you can, for example, store the number of tries you have left into an Excel file. You can, I don't know, print these one numbers. You can do whatever you want. A good exercise will be to improve this code. For example, now we are playing alone. Maybe you can do a modification of this code so 2 players can play the game and the one with more tries left wins the game. You can improve the game in any way you want. So please take this code and improve it. And if you do something cool, please write a comment with the code and I will be happy to see what you have done. I hope you have fun with this little exercise and I will see you on my next video.